We're leaving the northern coast of Morocco and heading into something completely new, Casablanca. It was one of those travel days where everything felt like an adventure. From winding through the Medina to riding the train across the country, the journey had its fair share of twists and turns. By the time we made it to our Airbnb, we were wiped, but instantly re-energized. This place is wild in the best way. Pop art on every wall, bold colors, and a vibe that just screams creative energy. It's our home for the next month, and in this video, we'll take you along for the ride. This new chapter in Casablanca is starting off with a bang. Good morning, everyone. We are here in Tangier. We just left our apartment. We're walking through the Medina to grab a taxi. We are heading over to the train station where we are going from Tangier to Casablanca. And I'm so excited to be able to unpack our bags. It's been 5 homes in 3 weeks. So this one is gonna stay for at least a month. I'm actually kind of sad to be leaving Tangier. I feel like we haven't really spent too much time, but we'll be back. And I'm really excited to see what Casablanca brings. Honestly, I am the most excited for the train ride because I love trains. It's gonna take us from Tangier, leaving around noon. Trains are my favorite because you just get to kick back, relax, and watch the outside scenery all around you. So first, we got to take a taxi.
Got in the taxi, heading to the train station. Casablanca, here we come. We can't wait to truly unpack. I hope this Airbnb is nice. My wife might kill me. We'll be all right.
We made it to the train station.
Train leaves in about 55 minutes, so we're here a little bit early. Hopefully we get some comfortable seats with a good window. As Quinn mentioned this morning, the digital nomad life is not that much fun when we're packing all the time. So for us to be able to have a home, be settled in, and not have to unpack is honestly a dream come true. So we'll do this. So we already got our ticket, but if you don't have one, you can get a ticket here. We paid online this price. Pretty good deal, much cheaper than a flight and much more comfortable.
This train station is actually really beautiful. There's so much foliage. There's a nice relaxing water fountain behind us. It's just a vibe. I appreciate the vibe of Tangier big time. I really, really love it. We have got to come back and spend more time here. We just learned that they open the waiting room 40 minutes before your train arrives here.
The price to get a train ticket is the exact same online as it is in person. It's 270 dirhams for the speed bullet train, which gets you there in only 2 hours. It's 190 dirham for the long casual train ride, which takes about 5 hours, maybe even a little bit longer. So you can decide which one's best for you. What's best for us is we get our booty over to that Airbnb. I'm very excited about that.
We made it on the train. We got our nice seats, just the 2 of us. We got a nice window. Let's check out this view. Oh, it's so beautiful. We are almost at our final destination at Casablanca. It's been really nice, actually. John had a nice little workstation right here. This has been a really pleasant train ride. It's been really beautiful. Excited for the adventures of Casablanca. We are at Casablanca train station. The train ride was so smooth, genuinely. Super nice, 2 hours on the dot. Now we are going to go see the train station, and we're gonna go take the tram that will get us closer to our Airbnb. I love public transportation, especially here in Morocco.
That is all of our stuff plus my backpack. That is our home. We are a mobile home on foot. Nomadic is what they say. We are almost there. God, am I excited for this Airbnb. Will it be up to my expectations?
Welcome to our Airbnb in Casablanca. This is going to be our home for 1 month. We're gonna give you a little tour of our Airbnb, starting off right here in the kitchen. The kitchen's really cute. It's actually pretty spacious, which is really nice. It's nice that there's a separation from the kitchen and the bedroom. First off, we've got a really cool little dining table, also working space right here. Got lots of nice, cool little art. I really appreciate the decor. A nice selection of pop art in our kitchen. I really like the colors in here very much. Then come on over here. We've got a nice marble countertop, dishwashing area, big sink, microwave right here. We've got all the essentials. We've got pots. We have a washing machine right here in our kitchen. Definitely going to be taking advantage of this big time. Also have the bare necessities, which I really do appreciate in an Airbnb, especially because we do love to cook at home, even if it's just a little bit. We've got salt and oil and a nice little counter. We also have a kettle, which is of course an essential in every kitchen, and a nice Nespresso coffee maker. I'm very excited for that. Then finally, we have a perfect size fridge just for us, nice and clean. I really do love this kitchen. It's actually perfect. It's a perfect vibe. It's a perfect area for us to work in, to be able to cook in, hang out, relax. And this is the first thing that you walk into. Now let's check out the bedroom. Welcome to our bedroom. I love our bedroom so much. It is so bright and colorful and just the perfect size for us. We got to do a bed test. This bed looks really cute. I love a little Marilyn Monroe pop art on my bed. You know me. Let's do a bed test. Ooh, oh my God. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. This has got to be like a 9.4.
9.4.
I think so. It's like Tempur-Pedic mattress. It is so comfy. Oh my God. You're going to have a hard time getting me out of bed. Love the bed frame. Right next to the bed, we've got a cute little nightstand, which is perfect just for us to be able to put our phones and stuff like that. One thing I really do appreciate with Airbnbs is when they allow for an extension cord. So you've got lots and lots and lots of plugs. So we've got a nice, cute little closet space. We already have our jackets hung up. Plenty of storage. I think that's going to be just fine for us with all of our clothing. And across from our bed, we've got a nice, beautiful mounted flat screen TV. I'm very excited for this. I hear we have Netflix. I don't know. We're going to see. Fingers crossed. But the thing that I love about this the most is the wallpaper. The wallpaper is so cute. It really gives it a lot of extra character and color. We've also got AC/heater system. It is perfect temperature. I don't think we're going to be using this a lot. The window's wide open, but it's nice to have just in case. Based on the kitchen and the bedroom, you could probably guess that our bathroom is super stylish, and you would be right. Let's go check it out. Welcome to our bathroom. How beautiful and colorful is this? I love it. It's like got that color block art from Bauhaus that I just absolutely love. This is a nice big shower. Look at me right here. Hello, hello, hello. We also have a really nice sink area as well. I love the red cabinets. Plenty of counter space for all my face washing needs. And then we've got a black toilet, which actually is kind of cool. I'm digging it. I love the black toilet. I honestly, this bathroom is a vibe. It really brings me peace and happiness that we've got a really cute house that we're gonna live in for the next month. 5 stars, super happy. That's our apartment. I'm really excited to call this place home for the next month. The neighborhoods are really cool. Inside is really cool. We're gonna be locked in, getting lots of stuff done. Overall, the cost for this for 1 month is this price. Not too bad. I'm very excited, very grateful to be here.